Okay, hello everyone. So if you have this scene already and you asking how you can add something like background sound or music, and the answer is pretty simple. So basically you have to create a new scene for that. So it might be 3D scene, so it can have no 3D, and you need to add child stream. You add stream, audio stream player 3D, and here you just quick load if you have the file. So for that we need to download something, and let's use itch.io and download music. So we can download, for instance, medieval, and if we will filter out to the sounds, then we'll have medieval sound effects. Of course there is something like paid or free, so you can take this, for instance, free soundtracks medieval, and yeah, it's quite big one. Let's have it so you can see how it. So you can pick based on what you want to be your game of. Of course you have to credit the authors, so don't forget to pick the who is the author here. So you have to like at least mention this one, Alka Krap, and his free medieval soundtrack in your game. So we can unpack one sound. We can pick OGG. I will pick first random one and unpack it to here. Yeah, so here I have medieval OGG, and I will just drag and drop it here. But before, I will create a new folder and call it assets. So I'll put all assets here, and maybe I can rename it to lower a. And inside of assets we can create another folder. We can say it sounds, so you can create a tree-like structure for your project. Let's put sounds here. So now we have medieval OGG here, and here we just pick this audio stream and quick load and voila, this is it. And also we need to configure here autoplay playing. So when you click on playing, it will automatically play. And maybe if you want to loop this one, yeah, you need to pick loop soon. So here's how do you autoplay, and yeah, you can identify from which distance it can be heard. So basically it will be heard everywhere. And yeah, so this is yeah, you can also configure how, like, all these configurations are here for you. And okay, so we don't do anything else here. Basically we just save it because we already have it. We have to save that as the new scene. Let's save as it BG music scene. So we're closing it now, and we can add it wherever we need the music to be played. So we can add this BG music here. So now we have music, that's it. So we can rename this again to BG music, and it will be played. So whenever we run our game, so let's run it without VR, and let's see, will the music be played? Probably it should. Yeah, so if you hear the music, there is a music playing on the background. So basically this is the same will be there. If you want to adjust the volume, you can adjust it here to make it not that loud. And yeah, this is how you just basically do it. You have to create the scene.